So quick update on the Shogun. I took the Shogun for a shakedown run. It runs well. The front brakes are awesome. The rear brakes are not, so I have to adjust those. I have to tighten some bolts as well, but the bike is running. The speedo is not working. I have to check whether it is the cable or whether it's a bad speedo. I have an extra speedo line, so probably I'll put that in there to check. The tachometer works. Unfortunately, the battery got drained and I could not complete the wiring. I've just connected the bits, so they are working somehow. Nothing at the rear end works. Right now the tail light is not working. Both the indicators are not working. I might have to take the seat off because there is an earthing issue, I believe. But rest everything looks awesome. Just look at it. It was a heap of metal just a month and a half ago, and now it's completely done. It looks awesome. It runs awesome. I couldn't take it for a longer ride. I just took it out for a small ride because of my schedule, but you know, it rides awesome. So that is the good news. So most likely by this weekend this would be completed in every aspect, and so that's about it for the restoration of the Shogun. So once this is done, I'll move on to other projects that I have. I have to fix this guy, and I have to do something about the RXZ as well. And of course there is one guy hiding there, so that one also. So we have, this is not a project, this is not my project, so it's almost done, but we have two projects which are supposed to be completed immediately after the Shogun, so they are waiting. So I'll leave you with this awesome thought. I'll just put a short video of it revving, and then I'll let you be with that video for now till the next video comes. So if you are new to the channel, thanks a lot for watching, and if you are not subscribed, please subscribe, like. Thanks a lot. Have a great day. Bye bye.